Archaeologists have long been perplexed by a bizarre structure built hundreds of years ago in Peru that appears to be modeled in the form of a volcano. Situated in Napina Valley, there are no volcanoes in the vicinity of the prehistoric pyramid or any similar artificial structures that resemble its shape. In a new investigation, researchers uncovered a collapsed stairwell inside the mound, leading to a mud-plastered floor, and a hearth containing charcoal and shells. And radiocarbon dating has revealed the unusual occurrence of 4 total solar eclipses at the site over the span of just 110 years, suggesting it may have been used to celebrate the victory of the moon over the sun. The strange pyramid, also referred to as a mound, was first identified back in the 1960s. While it's not known exactly when it was built, its proximity to the late formative center of 900 to 200 BC of San Isidro suggests there may be a link to this period, the researchers explain in a new study published in the Journal of Antiquity. It stands roughly 15.5 meters tall and has a strange crater-like feature dug into the top. Since its discovery, scientists have been baffled by the structure. When viewed from a distance, the site resembles a volcanic cinder cone, such as the one in the Andahua Valley in southern Peru, and we have therefore named the site El Volcán. It should be noted, however, that there are no volcanoes in the vicinity of El Volcán to serve as models, nor indeed are any other examples of volcano-shaped structures known from Peru or elsewhere. Over the years, researchers have suggested several explanations, leading to 2 prevailing hypotheses. One, arguing that the crater is a result of looting or erosion later in its life, and another suggesting it was originally constructed to resemble a volcanic cone, and could be tied to astronomical events. In the new study, however, the researchers argue that subsequent activities or natural processes are not likely to have created this feature. The researchers dug a trench on the southern wall of the crater, revealing a collapsed stairwell, a row of adobe bricks, and a fragment of mud plaster floor 2 meters below the surface. They also found the remains of an ancient fireplace below the center of the inner core. Radiocarbon dating of the hearth has traced the feature to about 1563 AD, with a potential range from 1492 to 1602 AD. As a total solar eclipses in any single location occur by chance about every 360 years, the probability of 4 eclipses occurring in 110 years is 0.0003 by the binomial expansion. The inhabitants of the area would have had no previous experience with such a cluster. It is even less probable that 4 eclipses would occur in the observed range of 32 years between the eclipses of AD 1521 and 1543. According to the researchers, the people living in coastal Peru at this time, known as the Yungas, would have greeted an eclipse of the sun with joy, not fear, unlike the Incas. While it remains unclear why the structure was built in the shape in the first place, the find suggests the pyramid may have had ties to the solar eclipse, at least in its final days. Possibly, the El Volcán hearth was a place of celebrating the victory of the moon over the sun. It could also have marked the final use of this unique structure.